All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video testing out the onboard microphones on the CMF Neckband Pro. So, in today's video, we're going to test out the microphone on these earbuds in two audio scenarios. The first one is going to be in the scenario you guys and gals are hearing right now, an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free scenario as I can get it. And then the second one is going to be using simulated crowd noise. All right. So without further ado, I hope everyone finds this video helpful, and let's get into today's video. So starting off here, this is testing out the microphones on the CMF Neckband Pro in the ideal or close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. Okay? Now, what I have for everyone is I have some simulated crowd noise pulled up in the background, and we're going to use this to test out how the microphones perform in a noisy or crowded environment. All right, so I'm just going to push play. I'm going to let the crowd noise play for a little bit, and I'm going to continue to talk at my normal volume, at my natural cadence, and we're going to see how the microphones perform. All right, let me push play now. Okay, and we're going to let this play for a little bit. That should be good. And now, here is an example of the microphone performance coming out of the CMF Neckband Pro in a simulated noisy or cloudy environment. Okay, so we're going to see how these microphones perform. I won't know what this sounds like until I watch the video back in post, but hopefully it sounds good, and hopefully the microphones are doing a good job of isolating my voice out over the surrounding or ambient sounds. Okay, that should be good enough. Let's pause it now. And now we're back to an ideal noise-free or as close to noise-free environment as I can get it. Okay. So that, guys and gals, essentially does it for today's video. But before I get up out of here, I want to show and tell everyone how I have today's video set up. So recording the video here today, we are using the front and rear facing cameras on the Google Pixel 6a. Today's video is being recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio input hooked up, okay? And I'm going to throw up some B-roll in post now showing you guys and gals how I set everything up. So you can see all I did was connect up the Neckband Pro to the Google Pixel 6a. Then I just verified that it was connected, okay? Then I jumped into the stock Google Pixel camera application, all right? I went over to video mode. Then I switched the audio input to Bluetooth audio input. All right. Then I zoomed in on the TV screen in the background so y'all can see the name of the crowd noise that I'm using on YouTube. Then I set the volume on my TV, which was set to 18% volume. Then after that, I made sure that the speech enhancement feature was turned off. And then I just pushed record, spun the cameras around, and started recording today's video. And the cool thing about the Pixel 6a is everything that you can do on the rear cameras, you can do on the front cameras. Okay, so that was really, really cool. All right, so just a real quick rundown of how I set up today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. Hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.